Class 3 multiple conduit boxes stand out for their multiple mobile outlets, providing flexibility and adaptability. The Tramontina multiple conduit box is the ideal choice for projects that aim for future expansion, as it features outlets in different directions. If any outlet is not used initially, it can be easily covered for later expansion using the plugs. Tramontina also offers connectors for conduits, ensuring a clean and organized installation. Tramontina offers multiple aluminum conduit boxes in gauges from 3/4, 1, 1.5, and 2 inches, in 2 models, X with 5 outlets and L with 4 outlets. Also has adapters for 1/2 and 1.25 inch gauges. In addition to the black cover plates, up to 1-inch conduit boxes are compatible with modular system covers, which hold up to 3 modules from the Liz line, and with monoblock system covers. With the IP54 Seal Kit for multiple conduit boxes can be installed outdoors simply and efficiently. Choose Tramontina multiple conduit boxes for safer electrical installations, combining flexibility and agility in carrying out the service. Tramontina.